Greetings, fellow RV enthusiasts. Welcome back to Daily RV Life, the YouTube channel dedicated to all things RV. Today, we have an informative and useful video for you on how to check RV tires. As the only point of contact between your RV and the road, tires play a critical role in ensuring a safe and smooth journey. By following these simple steps, you can ensure the safety of your RV and enjoy worry-free travels. Firstly, let's start with a visual inspection. Look for any visible signs of damage such as cracks, bulges, or uneven wear. These can indicate underlying tire issues and should be addressed immediately. Additionally, ensure that the tire pressure is within the manufacturer's recommended range. Underinflated or overinflated tires can lead to poor handling and increased fuel consumption. Moving on, it's important to check the tire tread depth. A properly worn tire should have at least 4/32 of an inch of tread depth for safe driving. An easy way to check this is by using a penny. Insert the penny into the tread grooves, with Lincoln's head facing down. If you can see the top of Lincoln's head, it's time to replace the tire. Next, inspect the tire sidewalls for any cracking or splitting. These can be signs of aging or exposure to harsh conditions, such as intense sunlight or extreme temperatures. If any issues are found, it's best to consult a professional for further guidance. Furthermore, don't forget to examine the tire valve stems and caps. Ensure they are in good condition and tightly secured. Faulty valve stems or missing caps can lead to leaks and loss of tire pressure. Lastly, consider the age of your RV tires. Most manufacturers recommend replacing tires every 5 to 7 years, regardless of their visual appearance. Aging tires can be more prone to blowouts and other failures, so regular replacement is essential for your safety. In conclusion, checking RV tires is a vital aspect of RV maintenance. By conducting routine inspections, maintaining proper tire pressure, and replacing tires as needed, you can enhance your safety on the road and extend the lifespan of your RV tires. That's all for today's video on how to check RV tires. We hope you found these tips helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our Daily RV Life channel for more useful content like this. Stay safe and happy travels, RVers. Until next time.